Hello everyone. Welcome to Image Generator 2, an add-on that helps you quickly create concepts. Connect the latest AI image generation models directly inside Blender and optimize your creative workflow in a more convenient way. Installing the add-on is very simple. You just need to download and install it, then enter one of the two API keys in the Preferences panel. After that, click Check API. If everything shows OK, the setup is complete. Rebuild the entire material setup for your product. Please note that at this step, you should turn off lighting and material, so the AI does not keep the original lighting and materials from the model. You can also generate multiple camera angles while still maintaining consistency for the product. To do this, simply enable the Keep Maintain Consistency option. The upscale feature also works well when using Gemini. The second method is for cases where you want to control the lighting and materials of your product, especially when you do not want the AI to alter or mess up your materials, logo, or important details on the model. Always remember to turn off the lighting and material options so the add-on can preserve the materials and lighting you want for your product. For this method, your model should already have basic materials and lighting set up. I have also added a new feature to the add-on called Paint Mask. This feature allows you to paint over the specific area you want to edit, giving you more control over the generated result. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you have any questions while using the add-on, please leave a comment below.